Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about scheduling a post in the YouTube community tab. So whether you want to share a video, a quiz, a poll, and some sort of image you want to share with your community, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to go about scheduling that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is navigate over to your YouTube channel page and select the community tab. And now you want to go on this page here and go and locate either the image, poll, quiz, whatever you want to do. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to do a simple text message for today's tutorial. And then you want to adjust the visibility settings at the top right. So if you want to click the drop down, you can set it to public. If you have channel memberships and tiers enabled, you can select one of those options instead if you want to provide a perk to your members. And then you would click where it says post, click the drop down next to that and select scheduled post. And then you can select the date, time, and the time zone you wanted it to be posted in. And then you would select where it says schedule, and then it would appear underneath the schedule tab right here. So pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.